Good morning, friends, and Namaskar. I'm Shivam Singhal, Agri Trainer. I welcome you all to this session of Agri Training Program. Friends, we have been recording and uploading our videos in Hindi language, but there was a continuous demand from some of our people who cannot understand Hindi, and those people who are from Southern India, South India, and they were asking for the English video. So today I'm going to provide you all the Vestige Agri product details in English language. I hope you will enjoy this product training program. So we will start with the first point, that why agri products. Vestige has launched its agricultural products with a vision to reduce farmers' dependence on chemical fertilizers. As we all know, most of the farmers are nowadays heavily dependent on chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and other agrochemicals. Even though our government is also focusing on organic agriculture, organic products, but not more of the options are not available in the market. Not good quality of bioproducts are available in the market, so farmers also don't have so much of options. Vestige has come into this segment with a vision that we will bring organic products, bioproducts, which can reduce the dependence on chemical fertilizers, as well as it can improve the yield of their crops. Secondly, there is a vision to expand our network in rural areas. As we all know, there are more than 2 crore people invested in India. And if still our people want to expand their network, they can go to rural India. And if they will go to rural India, there will be farmers who will be more interested in agricultural products. So agricultural product is basically a gateway to expand your network in rural India, and it is a also opportunity to generate big or bulk business volume, because agriculture products are famous to generate bulk business volume. So that is also a plus point with the agriculture products. And lastly, there is a very important point, because our government is also focusing on improving farmers income. So Vestige provide a kind of platform which can really improve the income level of our farmers, because by using these products they can reduce their dependence on chemical fertilizers, on chemicals, and they can improve their yield, as well as it provides an extra source of income to our farmers. It provides a platform to give employment to their family members by staying in their village itself. So these are the points, and this is the vision why Vestige is working on agriculture products. Now we will discuss the agriculture products. Basically, there are 7 agriculture products from Vestige, and these 7 products can be categorized in 3 categories. First category is plant protection. That means a kind of product which is going to protect our crop or our plant from the threats. What kind of threats? Maybe there will be fungal infection, there can be insect attack, there can be pest attack, there can be weeds, and there can be termites attack. So lot of threats are there. So those products which are going to protect our crop from these threats will be coming under the category of plant protection. And there is only one product from Vestige in this category, that is Agri Protect. Agri Protect is a kind of product which will be protecting our crop from the fungal infections. Secondly, we have to observe one point here, that if somebody is asking for you any insecticide, so we don't have any insecticide. And if anybody is asking for you to have weedicide, we do not have weedicide also. Basically, if somebody has a pest attack on their crop, somebody has insect attack on their crop, he can purchase the insecticide from the market. He can mix Agri 82 with that chemical, and he can get the result. But Vestige is not working on poisonous and chemical products, so that's why Vestige does not have insecticide and weedicides. Right, then second category is nutritional. Nutritional means products which will improve the nutrient level of the soil, or which will provide nutrients to the crop, or which will improve the growth of the plants. And there are 5 products in this category. Agri Humic is there, Agri Humic granules, Agri Moss, Agri Nanotech, Agri Gold. Humic and humic granules are basically same product but available in two compositions. Agri-humic is a liquid composition and humic granules is a granules composition. Then there is a third category, activator, and that means some product or a product which is going to activate something or which will improve the activity of other products. And there is Agri 82 in the activator category. And we will be starting with the Agri 82 because it is a first product and it was launched in 2008. It was launched in 2008 from the Vestige, and it is available in three packagings: 5 liter, 100 ml, and 500 ml. Agri 82. Vestige Agri 82 is a highly concentrated non-ionic spray adjuvant solution, right? With 82% active ingredients. Spray adjuvant, spray supporting solution means a product which can be used as a supporter in spraying, in foliar spraying, right? Anytime if you are using any of a market product or you are using any agrochemical product and you want to improve the activity and efficiency of that products, you can use Agri 82 as a supporting solution. Number two, it is a non-phytotoxic, safe and environment friendly solution. Then it can be used with any agrochemicals like insecticide, fungicide, herbicide, any of the chemicals. So it is going to improve the activity and efficiency and as well as coverage of those other agro products. Then there are some functions like activator. As we have already discussed, activator means it is going to improve the activity of other agro products on the leaf surface. Then it is a spreader. A spreader means suppose you are spraying any agrochemical on the leaf surface and those chemicals have a tendency to become droplets, and if wind is blowing then those droplets can fall down on the ground, and if droplets are falling down on the ground, that means you are not going to get the proper results on the leaf surface. So anytime if you are spraying any agricultural products, you can mix Agri 82 with that product. Agri 82 will not allow that product to become a droplet. It will spread the product completely on the leaf surface. Also, it will help the product to penetrate up to the bottom surface. So basically it is going to improve the coverage of other agricultural products. So you will be getting better results as well as you can reduce the expenditure on other agrochemicals. Third point is it is a wetter. Wetter means it is going to wet the entire leaf surface area. So there will be better coverage. Secondly, it is going to improve water holding capacity of the soil so that you will be requiring less water and moisture level will be maintained and yield can also be improved. Then there's a point, it makes uniform solution. Suppose you are purchasing any powder product from the market and you want to mix it in water and then you want to spray it. So there are tendencies that powder will not be dissolving uniformly in the water. And if you are mixing Agri 82 in that solution, it will help the powder product to uniformly dissolve in the water. And if it will be dissolved uniformly, then spraying will also be uniformed and results will also be uniform, right? Then last but not the least, it is effective in various soil pH values. Soil pH is the most important point in agriculture, because if soil pH is not good, then most of the products will not be working at their full potential in agriculture and yield will be decreased. So Agri 82 is a product which can be effective and which will be effective in different values of soil pH. Even if soil pH is less, it is an acidic soil, or even if soil pH is high, it is an alkaline product. 82 can give results in any kind of soil pH. So these are the functions. Now we will be moving toward dosage and application. First point and the most important point is Agri 82 can be mixed with any agricultural input and for all the crops. Now it depends in with which product you are mixing it. Suppose you are using Agri 82 for foliar spray and you are mixing it with pesticides, fungicides, fertilizers, or even Vestige agricultural product, then the dose will be 5 to 10 ml for 15 liter of water. 15 liter is basically a standard size of spraying tank. So if 15 liter of tank is there, then the dose of Agri 82 will be 5 to 10 ml. For herbicides or weedicides, the dose will be 15 to 20 ml per 15 liter of tank. And if you want to mix it with fertilizers for broadcasting, then the dose will be 3 to 4 ml per kg of fertilizer. Then you can use Agri 82 for irrigation purpose also to improve the water holding capacity of the soil, and the dose will be 160 to 200 ml per acre, and you can use Agri 82 once in a month for irrigation purpose. So these are the applications. Now we will move toward the next product. Next product is Agri Protect. Agri Product comes in a powder composition and it is available in 500-gram packing. Agri Protect is a unique agricultural bioenhancer. It is a microbial inoculant which can exhibit maximum efficiency in the suppression of diseases. Also, it can work as a systemic product and it can also act as a biocontrol agent against parasitism of pathogens. So the most important point is it is a microbial inoculant. That means it is going to inoculate our plants. It is going to inoculate the roots of our plant so that it can be protected from the attack of pathogens, or it can save the plant against parasitism of those pathogens. That means it will be working as a biocontrol agent. It will be protecting our crop from the fungal infections. There are some diseases like blast, brown leaf spot, mildews, root rots, stem blight. These are the diseases against which Agri Protect can enhance the crop immunity. Agri Protect increases photosynthetic activity. Its defense power saves the plant from sun stress. Also, its defense power results in healthy growth of the plant. Here are some pictures to show you what kind of diseases can be there on the plants. First picture is of paddy crop. There are white color of rings on the surface of leaf. Then there is groundnut, then cotton, wheat. These are the kind of diseases against which Agri Protect can improve the immunity of the crop. Here we have dosage and application. Agri Protect can be used in prophylactic as well as curative method. Prophylactic means you can use Agri Protect in advance as a precautionary measure so that in attack of the fungus will not be there, or you can save the crop, you can protect the crop, you can improve the immunity of your crop, so there will be very less chances of any disease attack, right? Then if you want to use Agri Protect for soil application, then the dose will be 500 gram to 1 kg per acre. You can mix it with 100 kg of farmyard manure, and you can use Agri Protect at the time of soil preparation. Also, we can mix it with 5 kg of Agri Humic granules, that is a vestige product, and we can use it at the time of seed sowing. Then we have an option of seed treatment that will be a very cost effective and result effective solution. You can use 10 gram of Agri Protect for 1 kg of seeds. Then we have root dipping. Root dipping means suppose we have a nursery and we want to transplant the seedlings, then we can make a solution of Agri Protect with a dose of 10 to 15 gram per liter. We can dip the roots in that solution, then we can transplant it. Then we have an option of foliar spray. Suppose your crop is already 20 to 30 days old and you don't have option of seed treatment, root dipping, then we have the only option of foliar spray, and the dose will be 1.5 to 2 gram per liter. And suppose we have a crop of 90 to 120 days crop, then in that crop cycle we can use 2 times. First timing will be 20 to 30 days after sowing. That means when your crop is around 1 month old, and the second timing will be when flowering is going to start, or we can say 15 to 20 days before flowering. So these are the timings. We can use any of these methods to protect our crop. Then we have a curative method. In curative method, we have only one option, that we can do only foliar spray, and the dose will be 2 to 3 gram per liter. Most important point is to get the best result, we should do 2 spray within 7 days. And whenever we are spraying Agri Protect, we should mix Agri 82 also with that. For an example, if we are using 15 liter of water tank, then we can use 40 gram of Agri Protect and 10 ml of Agri 82 for foliar spraying. Now we will be moving to our next product, and it is Agri Humic and Agri Humic granules. We will be discussing both the products together because products are same, only the composition is different. One is in liquid and one is in granule. Liquid composition it is available in 500 ml agri-humic and 6% humic substance it has. Secondly, agri-humic granules, it is available in granules composition and the packing is 5 kg and it has 1.5% humic substances. Now, the most important point is what is there in agri-humic. Agri-humic is a concentrate of humic substances. Humic substances means it contains humic acid, fulvic acid, and humin. It is a combination of these acid, humic acid, fulvic acid, and humin, which can be called as humic substance. And humic substance can be extracted from humus. It can be understood as a fully decomposed organic matter. So from there, it will be extracted and it will be available in liquid composition or even in granules composition. Now we will come to the results. Suppose we are using agri-humic for the crops and we will be observing the results as there will be more vegetative growth of the plants. There will be shining on the leaves, better color of the leaves will be there. Yield can also be increased by 5 to 20% if climate and other things are not drastic. Then if we are using it for seeds, then we will observe better germination will be there, better root growth will be there. For soil, we will observe more fertility will be there, soil will be more porous, water holding capacity will also be improved. Basically, humic uh, substances are generally known as biostimulants. So this product is going to improve nutrient uptake capacity of the plant. It will be improving the roots growth. It will be improving the number of white roots. That means plant will be able to uptake more and more nutrients from the soil, as well as it will improve the cation exchange capacity of the soil so that more nutrients or more mineral nutrients will be available to the plants. Now we will come to the doses and application. As we have two compositions here, we have liquid, then we have granules. So for soil application, we have a better option to use agri-humic granules there, and the dose will be 5 kg per acre. It can be used either alone or in combination with other fertilizers if found convenient. Then if we want to use it for perennial plants, then the dose will be 100 to 150 gram per plant. If you want to use agri-humic for drenching purpose, then we can use the liquid composition and the dose will be 250 to 500 ml per acre. Again, we have a seed treatment option with agri-humic and the dose will be 5 ml per kg. For root dipping, or we can say root treatment, the dose will be 5 ml per liter. We can make a solution, we can dip the roots for 5 to 10 minutes and then we can transplant the seedling. Number 4, we have foliar spray option. Suppose our crop is already 20 to 30 days old and we want to do foliar spraying, then the dose will be 2 to 3 ml per liter. And if the crop is 90 to 120 days crop cycle, then in that crop cycle we can do 2 to 3 spraying, and 2 spray will be sufficient. Dose will be 2 to 3 ml per liter. Now the next product is Agri-Moss. Agri-Moss is a liquid composition. It is available in 500 ml and recently it has been launched in 100 ml composition also. So two packings are available, 500 ml and 100 ml. Agri-Moss, it is a water soluble, non-toxic to plants, animals and human beings. So basically it is a environment friendly product, bio product. It is very useful in plants fertility and reproduction process. That means it will be improving the flowering of our crops. It stimulates cell division so that more number of flowers will be there. It improves transport of plant hormones and alters the response of plant to these hormones. Agri-Moss helps in vigorous development of buds. It induces great flowering, promotes pollination and setting of fruits, improves crop quality and increases yield significantly. Agri-Moss reduces dropping of flowers and fruits. So basically, if we want to understand Agri-Moss, it is a product which will be used at the stage of reproduction. That means it is a product which can improve the flowering as well as fruiting. It will have more number of flowers, more number of buds, fruit dropping will be less, flower dropping will be less, flower to fruit conversion will be better. So somebody who is doing flowering crops, fruit crops, or vegetable crops. Basically, we can say horticultural crops. There, this is a product which we must use. Secondly, even if somebody is doing a cash crop like cotton, there also Agri-Moss will give best results as flowering will be improved. Even if somebody is doing wheat or paddy, there also Agri-Moss can be used as reproductive stage. So this is a product which will be used at reproductive stage and will be used only and only in spraying. So for foliar spray, those will be 20 ml per 15-liter tank, and the timing will be 20 days before flowering and 20 days after flowering. And if there is a crop which has a long duration of reproductive stage, that means there will be continuous flowering or fruiting, then we can repeat the spray of Agri-Moss in 20 days interval. So Agri-Moss is a product which will be giving best results on flowering and fruiting stage of the crop. Now the next product is Agri Nanotech. It is also a powder and available in 500-gram packing. Agri Nanotech provides most of the secondary and micronutrients to the plants. Basically, we know that 17 nutrients are there which are essential for the plant growth, and out of the 17 there are 3 secondary nutrients: calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. There are 8 micronutrients: zinc, iron, copper, manganese, boron, chlorine, molybdenum, nickel. And out of these secondary and micronutrients, most of the nutrients are available in the nanotech. And the speciality of this product is Agri Nanotech is manufactured using nanochelation technology. That means whenever you are using Agri Nanotech in the soil application, it will not be wasted by reacting to any chemical present in the soil. Secondly, it will attach or it will chelate the available nutrients in the soil, and it will take those nutrients from the soil to the plant roots. So basically it is going to provide the nutrients, it is going to uh, improve the availability of the nutrients to the plant roots. Now we will come to the results. Basically, if we are observing the results on soil, we can use soil application of this product, and it has a flexible structures which are resistant and stable in both alkaline as well as acidic soils. So basically, most important point is it can be effective and it will give good results in acidic as well as alkaline soil, even if the soil pH is low or even if soil pH is very high. It improves soil fertility, it improves productivity of the soil, and it is effective even under semi-arid conditions where we have shortage of rains, that kind of area. There also we can use Agri Nanotech to improve our soil fertility and productivity. Then if somebody is doing a leafy crop, or we can say somebody is doing mentha, aloe vera, tea plantation, tobacco, where we need good quality of leaves, we need thickness of leaves so that oil content can be more. In those kind of crops also we can use Agri Nanotech. It improves chlorophyll formation rate of the plants, it helps in expansion of the leaf surface. So on leafy vegetables, or even if we have any leafy crop, there also it will give good results. Then we can use Agri Nanotech for orchards also. Sometime we can observe that there is not a good quality of fruits, so after having bad quality of fruits, farmers will not be able to generate more income, he will not be able to get better price of his crop. So Agri Nanotech is a product which can improve the quality and shelf life of produce and fruits. It is a product which can help the farmer getting more price for his fruits, or we can say produce. So we can use this product in orchards also. If somebody is doing mango, orange, or even any other fruit, we can use this product in wheat and paddy also. It will be improving the quality of the produce. Now the dosage and application: for soil application, we can use 500 gram to 1 kg per acre. We can mix it with 100 kg of farmyard manure and apply it at the time of land preparation. Secondly, we can mix it with 5 kg of humic granules and we can use it at the time of sowing. Then if we want to use Agri Nanotech for any leafy crop, then 2 spray of 1.5 gram per liter in 20 days interval after planting will be sufficient. We will get the better results on leafy crops, or we will get the good results on the leaves. Then if we want to use it to improve fruit quality, or if we want to use it to improve quality of produce, then 2 gram per liter dose will be sufficient in foliar spraying. And we can do one spray at the time of fruit setting stage. That means flowering has done and fruit is going to start. Now it is the last product, AgriGold. AgriGold is also a powder formation, powder composition, and it is available in 100-gram packing. AgriGold is really a magical product. It is a plant growth regulator that can infiltrate to the body of plant rapidly and deliver magic results. It helps to promote cytoplasm circulation inside the plant cell. It is a magical combination of bioingredients that help the crop to increase its metabolic activities, growth, and secondary root formation. Basically, AgriGold is a product which can improve the growth also, which can improve the immunity of the plants also, and which can improve the flowering and fruiting of the crop also. So it is a combination of everything. It can be used for vegetative growth, it can be used for reproductive growth, it can be used to improve the immunity also. So it enhances both quality and quantity of crop. It helps to protect the crop against biotic and abiotic stresses. Then it helps in root development by increasing the number of primary, secondary, and white roots. It also helps in determining development and ripening of fruits. It helps in controlling the rate of metabolic reaction. It also acts as catalyst, which speed up reactions in the plants. AgriGold can be used for all the crops during vegetative and reproductive phase. So basically, it is a product which can be used at any stage, whether plants are in vegetative phase, whether plants are in reproductive phase, whether it is a 30 days old crop, whether it is starting flowering, or whether it is starting fruiting. So this product can be used at any stage. It is so most of the time I compare this product with our healthcare product. We have Spirulina in Vestige healthcare product category. Spirulina kind of product is there. This is the Spirulina of agriculture, and AgriGold is a product which must be used for root and stem crops. That means if somebody is doing ginger, potato, like tuber crops are there, then sugar cane is there. For those kind of crops, AgriGold must be used. It will give best results for those crops as well. And it can be used for any crop. It can be used for paddy. It can be used for vegetables. It can be used for cash crops, fiber crops, fruit orchards, leafy vegetables, any crop. So a very best of the best product we have, like AgriGold we have, and it can be used in foliar spray, it can be used in soil application, it can be used in drip irrigation. For foliar spray, the dose will be 20 gram per 15 liter of tank, and you can use it when crop is 20 to 30 days old. You can use it when 20 days before flowering. We can use it 20 days after flowering. For soil application, dose will be 100 to 200 gram per acre. Basically, it is a product which can be used at any stage. Now we have completed the product information. Now I will be showing you a table to understand how can we use the combination of this product on different stages of a crop. Basically, the heading is how to use all Vestige Agri products for any crop stage wise. Basically, we will be using the combination of this product depending on the stage of a crop, and this table or this chart is going to help those people which have who have non-agricultural background, because they just want to understand that at what stage which product can be used or which combination can be used. Suppose we have stage 1, or we can say step 1, we want to use our products as soil application, and the stage is sowing. We are doing seed sowing. At the time of sowing, we can use humic granules, we can use Agri Protect, we can use Agri Nanotech, we can use Agri 82, or we can use combination of this product. 5 kg humic granules, 500 gram Agri Protect, 500 gram Nanotech, 150 to 200 ml of Agri 82 will be sufficient for 1 acre of field. whether we can use it alone, or we can use one or two product, or we can use the combination of three products. Then there is a stage 2. Suppose we want to use our product for seed treatment, then we have two options here. We can use Agri-Humic, the dose will be 5 ml per kg. We can use Agri-Protec as well, the dose will be 10 gram per kg. Then there is a step 3. Now your crop is 20 to 30 days old, and after sowing or after planting, you want to use this product, then the products will be Agri-Humic, Agri-Gold and Agri-82. Now you have two options here. Suppose you want to do foliar spray with 15 liter tank, then the dose will be 30 ml of Agri-Humic, 20 gram of Agri-Gold and 5 to 10 ml of Agri-82. And suppose you want to do broadcasting, or you want to do soil application for 1 acre of field, then the dose will be 5 kg of Agri-Humic granules, 100 gram of Agri-Gold and 150 ml of Agri-82. Then there is step 4. When your flowering is going to start, then 20 days before flowering, we can spray Agri-Protec, Agri-Moss and Agri-82. The dose will be 30 gram Agri-Protec, 20 ml Agri-Moss and 5 to 10 ml of Agri-82 for 15 liter of spraying tank. Then step 5, when flowering has already started and it is a timing of 20 days after flowering, we can spray Agri-Nanotec, Agri-Gold and Agri-82. The dose will be 30 gram, 20 gram and 5 to 10 ml for 15 liter of water tank. So this chart will be very beneficial for those people who want to use the combination or who don't have any agricultural understanding. They can just follow this table. They have to ask the farmer at what stage their crop is, and from here they will check which product can be used and then they can recommend. So basically today we have understood product information, we have understood the product's function, their dosage, application, then we have understood the combination of the products stage wise. Now it is a table where we have mentioned the point value of the products and the distributor price rate in rupees. All the 11 products are there, distributor price is there, point values are there, so you can check here. So for today we have discussed all the things regarding agricultural products of Vestige. Hope you have enjoyed the session, you have liked the session, and if you have any feedbacks or any suggestion, you can type those suggestions in comment box. For today, thank you very much and wish you well.